What's up and how you are? And after a long time, I was going to introduce myself in front of camera by talking with myself in English by for improving my communication skills because communication skills was one of the most important skills that we have to help in to do many of the work such as uh, not to such as for many fellow works so that it could be so much important as a work. And now coming to the point that why communication skills was important. The communication skills important because in communication we have to know about how we can express ourselves or express any of the work that we have in front of the people or or to influence the people so that the communication skills was so much important. Also it improved the quality of a person to enhancing that how he could able or how could be knowing to willingness about his job. And from past of the time I was not expecting that, I was not recording the videos and not doing the perfect work for myself. So that what was the reason? The only single reason is that I was not prepared for that. And from 1 month ago I was too much busy in hospitals, and after that I was busy in my family work, so that I was too much mentally disturbed. And after that while coming to the photoshop, I was not to be so much energized to do such type of work with myself, so that it could be so much difficult to do that. And now at a time, for a long time I have decided to do the work with myself. I know it was too much difficult to do such a thing, but it could be so much easier whenever we have cracked the potential. First of all, we have to crack the potential or crack the thing that what was the reason, what was the practical and as you can say practical or a true variant thing, so that how it could be so much important to our lives. And don't worry about it, just because whenever we have the best communication skills, many people have approached us, and we enjoy the lifestyle that we wanted to and that we wanted to grow with them. So that don't worry about it. First of all, we have to know the basic potential about the words that we have delivered to the people, to the any of the public that we uh, considered as a most important speeches. So that now coming to my personal growth or personal journey, let's suppose I am a freelancer who deserve the best communication skills, because for last of the time I was not expecting that the good communication skills with a good proper way. So that now coming to the point that what is the reason behind that the communication was not to be proper or not to be the type that we wanted. The only reason was to not to practicing again and again. The only reason was that whenever we have time, where when you wake up in the morning, when you get to sleep in the night, whenever we have the time, the only thing in your mind that how to improve the communication skills, how to improve your work, everything, what other skills that we have to get it or learn it today. Every day we have to track it, and every day we have to learn a new skills, or every day we have to take a new habit. By doing that we have to know that by reading a book called Atomic Habit, I learned that by knowing such type of skills, after a year I was improved myself as a 37.1%. But whenever I have lose myself by doing that, I was not doing such a kind of work with consistently. The only thing that I was depressed, and the work quality was get loosed, and the work quality was so much the work culture or everything was not to be pretty good, or not to be say that the growth related type. As support as such as we can say that whenever from the past of the time I recognize that my future my further sorry to say my further journey, I understand that the communication skills were so much important, but also to be consistent or to self realization with the self growth with the changing growth with researching, topping, scripting was so much important to deliver a video. So that today's this journey was just to beginning the work for 7 days. I know this was so much pretty small, sounds like a small target, but this was so much important for me because my mind was too much hectic, because I was too disturbed or too distracted people. I Whenever I go to start working, but my brain said that don't do work, just to start to scrolling the phone by doing. I have whenever first of all that I have till that in my smartphone I have stopped my smartphone by scrolling, because by using the application called no scroll. So that in this no scrolling system I was not able to scroll the platform. Hence I can say that I was not able to scroll any of the reels or shorts by myself, because I have banned it, I have paused it, so that I was not get distracted. The only thing is that I was get distracted by watching the movie explanation of survival, so that I liked it the most. And also what can I watch that I love to watch the vlogs of the Romer Amit and the Pyare Point. And also in everyday situation I have to like to search every time, most of the times called the Manoj Day and Manoj Day podcast. I like to visit them, to watch them, and also Filmy Indians and many more of the fellow YouTubers that I wanted to watch them. And I will watch them because I get release a high message of dopamine, so that I was get distracted so much in this videos. As I noted that whenever we have, let's suppose that we have in Rumor Amit, I know the I have to get that the lifestyle that we have spent with our say that cousins. But I know that many the fellow YouTuber Romer Amit has mentioned that what can never be happen with the cousins, but nothing could be, but only the work is so much important. Whenever your work is first, then everything is will be first. So that what can we do? The only thing is that whenever we you are with your family members or anything anywhere, you just have to do your personal work. First of all, you have to maintain the discipline that you have. This could be so much important. And I know that the communication skills that I have speak with the camera, it was not to be proper or not to be so much willing to be expressed as a so much say that so much important conversation or so much good conversation. But I know that one time or one day I will express myself as a good communicator, as a good speaker, so that I was waiting for that day by doing regular communication practices. I know that from 1 year ago I was started this preparation, because I was too much sick my hand with uh, problem with that. I have not to record any video because I have fear of failure, fear to handle the camera. But after the time regularly doing this job, I was able to do such thing. By again and again I know that we have to decide the timetable or decide the productive table of ourselves. I know that I have a laptop, I have a smartphone. This gadgets was helping me to a lot. But first of all I have to work on the script, so that and the quality was not to be important, not to be the video editing was so much important. The only thing is that the script that you have delivered discovered was so much important. The thumbnail that I have no, because I was the thumbnail designer, so I don't worry about it that the thumbnail was good or bad. So that the only thing matters that about my creative learning, creative skills. uh, so that what can I do and what will be I do. The only thing is that just to start preparing about myself, that what can I discover with myself, with the self realization by self talking. Also know that by self talking was so much important skills, but also to do regular exercise with the reading books, novels, such as with reading I know that the self realization was important, but humans are the social animals, so that we have to spend the life or spend the time with the social animals such as human beings, and many more things, so that to realize ourselves that what we are and what we next to approach it. Because from past of the time, from let's suppose that from 1 month, not to suppose, I know that I know that the time was of um, in the month of April my exam was get off, and I was free with myself. And no, no, at April 12 of 2025, I was get free of my work, and I was get to home and just passing my time. But few days ago, I get stuck with myself, because as my line, the electricity goes off for the fewer time, so that my phone battery was get discharged. So that I think that I have no much longer time to resist the phone. I think that the phone was get switch off. So that I think, let's suppose I go to my neighbor's house to go to charge, because they have the inverter, so that I go to charge. But the old lady who told me that with the louder voice, that we cannot give you to charge, because anytime that you are coming to our houses, I cannot be see you anymore. So that at the time was 9 o'clock, and this beat my heart to a lot. So that I know that whenever you have the quality, or then whenever you have cracked anything, then you have the presence, or then you have the as we can say that, then we have the potential to say something. Or then whenever we have cracked anything, or whenever you have do something, then you have know the potential that you are who you are. But if I don't have such a thing, so that but past of the time I rememberize myself that I have a bigger house of 2 floors with so with a facility of water, with the facility of free electricity, free water, with the free food. But this could not be so much important. And all the only thing is that I need to more of that. So that I waited for myself, and just I scrolled, or just I stopped it and say that don't worry about it, don't listen to these things, and those illogical or impresentable topics. I just wanted to say something that only and only that why I wanted was just to spread about myself, to be, as our prime minister say, atmanirbhar bano. Whenever we are tell that called that atmanirbhar, meaning to become a leader, whenever you have, you can do with yourself, not to the people, the public, or the neighbor or your family. Take care of yourself, so that you have to be able toward yourself, that you can create it with yourself. Okay, so this is for today's video. I think it's was too much longer.